So today we will be writing JUnit test cases to test our application in Spring Boot Java. So we will start with initializing Spring project. Open the initializer. Let me set it to Maven. Let's rename it to test cases. Okay. Now let's. It is already set to Java 17. Okay. Now let's generate. Got the downloadings. Now let's open IntelliJ. Open the project. Trust. Yeah. Now get into the main. Let's create a demo class just to test it. Okay. So we will rename it as demo class. Correct. Now we will define a public method. Let's call hello world. That will return hello world string. That is like common use case. Okay, now let's create JUnit test case for this. So by command shift T, I have opened this. So now this class I will create a method. Ultimately we are going to create a test case for this method. So let me call demo class. So now we will be calling a demo class and we will obtain the response from this call hello world method. So now we get the response from the call hello world method. So now we are setting expected response as hello world. It should return hello world. Now we will compare both of these two. So there is a assertion. So we have done that. So now let's run the test case. Before running, let's set up this Mockito extension to support test running of the test cases. So let me install this Maven dependency. Just put it in the pom.xml file. Where is the pom? Okay, let's open it. So put it in the pom. Okay, now we'll add annotation extend with Mockito extension. Now let's spy this. Okay, without spy also let's first. So now what it is saying, this is the demo class and it's null. Okay, that is expected. Let's initialize this. Okay, correct. Now it should work. Let's rerun. Okay, it's working. Now let's just change the expected response. That should fail. Yeah, it is failing. That is expected. Now it should work fine. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to add another method and want to mock that method. So I've added a parameter dummy message. Okay, so I will create a method that I want to mock. So it just simply return that parameter. So what we will do, we will call it from our can call hello world function. So we are calling it, and now let's append it with hello world. Let's provide some space and now append it with hello world message. Okay, so now also let's change it in here. Let's pass something like keyword. Let's pass there. We are passing some keyword named as there. So now what it's saying, actually it should be hello world there, but expected. Now let's change the expected. Now it should work fine. So now what we want to do, we want to mock this second method, dummy message, get dummy message. So let's make it a spy, and now we are creating a spy of this demo class. Let's remove this. Okay, let's add a spy. Now let's run it. What it is, okay, just miss the semicolon. Now, yeah, it's working fine as of now. Now suppose we add another we replace this hello world with hello world here. Now this message should throw there, so it should fail. Yeah, correct, it is failing. So now what we will do, we will mock the second method of the demo class. So let's comment out it as stubbing. So let's mock it out, do return. So in do return we'll put what we want to return. We want to return there dot when dot now get dummy message. So now we will get whatever we put in this method get dummy that will return there. So correct. Now let's now it will return here whatever we uh, do, it will return here because we are mocking it. Now ideally it should fail from if we remove mockito, but it is passing because we are mocking this response. Okay, now see it is working. Okay, now it should fail because we are not mocking the response, hence it is returning that should be returned. Now we have mocked the response, now it should work fine. So this is how we can work with, and also this also helps in testing other things, like you are connecting to the database. Now you can mock that database. So instead of calling database, we will just simply mock it. So this is how we will leverage this mocking. So yeah, that was a very good tutorial for that. Thank you.